guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the 6 products that I used the last 3 months consecutively to help me grow back my edges. So first, before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you press subscribe so you can become part of the BAM fam. So without further ado, let's get into these 6 products. Okay guys, so if you've been here for a long time, some of these products may be new to you and some of these products are going to be very old. But the first product that I used consecutively and that I left in my hair all the time to help me grow back my edges is mane and tail. Oh my God! Ah! Okay guys, so the product that I've been using on my hair consecutively that I use for my leave-in conditioner is none other than mane and tail. If you guys have been here for a while, y'all have already seen this mane and tail bottle, and I'm trying to get the focus, but it don't want to focus to die. Sure, I don't want to focus to die. There we go. Wakatakow. Mane and tail, you guys, this full bottle was $4.77. When I seen $4.77, I bought me 4 bottles. I am not playing. They used to be about like $4.20, $4.50, and then I guess because of Mrs. Corona wanted to show her face, everything went up, and they went up to like $7.50. And you can find the mane and tail in the pet department. I get the pet department mane and tail just so you guys can see what the bottle is, because I know there's a mane and tail in the, what do you call it, the beauty owl. And I just wanted you guys to see that it doesn't say for moisturizing or whatever. This is the mane and tail bottle from the pet owl. Yes, it's for horses, but if you can see on the screen, it says for thick, healthier looking hair. So this conditioner, you can leave it in, you can rinse it out. This has literally been my ride or die conditioner, leave-in conditioner. My hair loves mane and tail, and I noticed a huge difference since I started back using mane and tail. And I don't even know why I really stopped using mane and tail. I think it was because of my living situation years ago, but I just got back into it. So the next product that I've been using consecutively that I really feel helped moisturize my hair and helped me tap into like the Ayurvedic herb type of products is my little herb conditioner ball. You guys, I do have it in a plastic Ziploc bag, and I have not made a video on this herbal ball, but it's pretty much just hibiscus. Let me see if I can get it to focus for you guys. It's pretty much hibiscus, aloe vera powder, and shea butter, mango butter, and a couple of other things I put in here, and I just literally melt them down, and then I put them in this little ball pretty much. So what I like to do with this ball is heat up my mane and tail, and then I drop the ball into my warm conditioner, let it melt, and then I apply the mixture to my hair. I leave it in. The next day I'll wash out my hair. The little herbal ball helps with shedding. That's what hibiscus help with. Aloe vera helps with moisturizing your hair, benefits for hair growth, and a couple of other ingredients like shea butter, mango butter. I put some castor oil in there, coconut oil in there, but I know a lot of people don't like coconut oil, so I just made it for my hair's needs, which was shedding and needed growth. So that's what I put in that herbal ball. So that's one of my creations that I used. Another thing that I used that I really feel like helped my hair grow is my oil, you guys. This is how much I have left. I will leave the links down below of the oil and how I made it. If you want the ingredients is on the screen, the measurements. So it's on the screen if you want the ingredients and the measurements. I didn't put it down in the description box because I put it on the screen, and that's just like doing extra work. And then you can just watch the video if you really want to know the ingredients and the measurements, but you have to pay attention to the video. This is another herb type of oil, you guys. Once again, go watch that video if you want to see how I actually got this mixture together. But I was using black Jamaican castor oil, which is another oil that I am going to talk about. I'm talking about them together. So yeah, I'm talking about them together. So pretty much this oil, I first started out using black Jamaican castor oil, and then I went to using this Arabic oil just because I needed help with shedding. And I know black castor oil can help with shedding, but I needed something that had so many more ingredients and herbal things in it to help me with my hair shedding and to help my hair get stronger, because my hair was going through it, you guys. I had a smart person down in my comment section say that nobody can lose their edges from having a baby. Obviously you don't have kids, because my edges came out and I needed help with my edges and shedding. This oil right here, you guys, it really helped, because I was just strictly using black Jamaican castor oil alone, which helped my hair grow back. But I noticed a huge difference when I didn't put black Jamaican castor oil in there, I just put regular castor oil in there. So it was kind of like knocking out a whole bunch of birds with one stone with that oil. But if you guys don't want to get all of those different ingredients, most definitely get extra black Jamaican castor oil, and you will not regret it. I'm telling you guys, you won't regret it. But if you just need a whole bunch more like little tweaks here and there, and you can tweak it yourself, go check out the video down below, and then you can get all the ingredients and you can make up your own oil for what your hair needs. Like, that's the beautiful thing about making your own products. You can customize them to whatever your hair needs at that time. So the next thing that I started doing with my hair is making my own shampoo bars, you guys. I have it in a Ziploc bag once again, but I started making my own shampoo and conditioner bars. So this is a Arabic black Jamaican castor oil, black Jamaican soap. So this is a black Jamaican herbal shampoo bar. So black Jamaican soap with shea butter, mango butter, like a whole bunch of different ingredients, like I said, that will help my hair with the shedding, help my hair with growth, help my hair with moisture. So I made this shampoo bar. I know you guys have been seeing me use my Trader Joe's, but I've been really trying to get rid of all of my little products that I've had before. And now that I started using my own homemade shampoo bars, you guys, like, my hair don't feel stripped and it feels so moisturized. It's not even funny. Like, make your own products if you can, or else support a small business that kind of goes with, you know, like what your hair needs, like melanin hair care or whatever. So that's just a tip. Either make your own, or else try to find products that actually is made for your hair, and your hair is going to thank you so much for it. So I stopped using store-bought shampoo, and I stopped using store-bought deep conditioner, but I am still using store-bought conditioner, because this mane and tail is like I seriously cannot brag more about this mane and tail. But with my herbal ball and the mane and tail, it just brung it up to another level. And I don't think I would ever stop buying Mane and Tail, and Natural 85's products. So the next product that I wanted to show you guys or share with you guys that really helped me like my edges and my hair grow back is a tea rinse. I don't have a tea bag, but it's a tea rinse. If you guys are suffering from shed taint, please go to your local grocery store. I'm not even going to say Target because Target is expensive. Go to Walmart. And if you don't even have no Walmart money, go to the Dollar Tree, go to the Dollar General, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, Five Below. Hit them up and get yourself a tea bag, because this black tea bag rinse once a month. I just do it once a month. I spray it in my hair. I leave it on my hair for about 2 days. The tea rinse, I leave it on my hair for 2 days, and then I rinse it out. So I always do it 2 days before my wash day. But you guys, you don't even need to buy like a whole thing of black tea. Whatever brand you want. I started out using decaf tea, and then I went to using caffeine tea. I don't think it makes a difference, but I just didn't want that much caffeine in my hair at first, and then I just wanted to test it. So if you're not sure how your hair is going to react with using caffeine or using the tea rinse, just use it on one section of your hair first before you apply the tea rinse throughout your whole head. And that's just a tip, period. If you're using a new product and you don't know how it's going to react or work on your hair, start out with using it in one section, the back of your head, somewhere where it's easily covered, and then you don't have to worry about like having a bad reaction and then your whole hair is reacting because you've used this product on your entire head. So those are the 6 ingredients or the 6 products that I use that help me with growing my hair, and the shedding came to a cease, you guys. Like, it really helped. So once again, I'm gonna just name the products just in case you be like, girl, that wasn't 6. So Mane and Tail, my herbal ball that I made for deep conditioning, my shampoo bar, tea rinse, black Jamaican castor oil, and then my homemade oil that I made. So you guys, the links for the oil will be down in the description box for you guys if you're curious about that. But let me know if you use any of these products and if you notice a difference in your hair length, the shedding, or overall shine, moisture. Let me know, besides the products that I made, obviously. So let me know down in the comment section, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.